So hi guys, I got the Fluval 206 canister filter here again, and I'm going to be replacing some of the media and adding some more stuff. I'll be changing out the Fluval Clear Max, adding some more Biomax, and putting in some more peat fiber. So first we'll open it up. I already poured out the water into a pail. I'll just set this to the side. Okay, so I dumped out the canister water into the bucket so I can rinse out the foam. It's not too dirty, but there's a little bit of stuff starting to build up. So I'll start by rinsing these in the pail. I'm just going to rinse some of the plant particles off with the tap. Then wring it out in the pail of the tank water. And just like that, it'll go back in. And the two on this side are actually pretty clean. Just going to rinse out the plastic holder a little bit. And I'll put these right back in the same spot they were. I guess I'll give that a rinse too on the other side. Here's the last one. Yeah, these aren't very dirty at all. It's almost 2 months since I set the filter up. Okay, so that's all back together. I'll just leave that over here. So, next the media basket. So, here's the cover. It goes that way. So in the first basket, this is the polishing pad it came with. I'll give that a rinse. Just under the top should be fine. Oops. That's still okay. So this was a bag I had the Clear Max and peat fiber in, so I'll be replacing this. I just put it in these reusable media bags. Oops. You basically got to replace this every month, and then it loses its effectiveness. So. What's nice about these reusable bags is you can put whatever you want in them, and then when it's time to change it, you just stump it out, give it a rinse, and you're good to go again. You don't always have to buy new stuff. So this is the Clear Max. And just pour that in here. It comes within these, like the box comes with 3 of these bags, but I've been using half the bag at a time. Because for this size filter and tank, the whole bag is a little too much, a little excessive. Now I'll get some of the peat fiber here. Just tear some of that off. Give it a rinse. And then put that in here as well. And I just tie up the bag so it doesn't fall out, and that's it. I mix it up a little bit to get the Clear Max around the peat fiber, and I just lay that in the tray like that, and that's it. So I also have the Biomax, but they don't give you very much with the filter, so I'm going to add some more here. That should be good. I'm just going to pour some of the tank water in to rinse them off a little and soak them a bit. just to get any dust off. So I think I'll try to mix it in with the existing stuff. Okay, that'll work. So I'll be ready to go back like that. Now on the next canister, this was the 100% polyester, so I'm going to give that a rinse in the tank water. That actually caught a lot of debris, a lot of particles. Yeah, I'm happy with how that works. I'm just going to rinse out the basket. Yeah, and this is just 100% polyester. Maybe I'll replace it next time or add some more, we'll see. But that's okay for now. And I'm going to put the bag Clear Max and peat fiber on top of that. And that's the second stage. Now right in the bottom, I got the medium foam, which I'll also give a rinse in the tank water. You can see inside the holes that it's actually not that clogged up at all. And I didn't rinse this at all last time I had the canister open. So I'll rinse this in the bucket of tank water. And this just goes back. Okay. I'll just rinse out the canister and put it all back together. So first I'll put in the medium foam. Then the polyester, Clear Max, and peat fiber. Then the Biomax. Make sure the baskets are all seated together. Oh, the polishing pad. I guess it would be a good idea to have this right at the end here. So I want this on top of the Biomax. So I guess I'll take out a little more. And this is just in case there's any like hard particles that come off the Biomax, it doesn't ruin the impeller of the filter. So if I can get the lid on there. Yeah, that'll work. So now I have the maximum amount in there, but still able to close it. Okay. And this is the first stage of filtration. Gets all the big particles right away. And that's it. This will be good for at least another month. So now I'll just put the lid back on and set it back up. So you just open the clamps, lower it down, hook them on, and lock it down. And that's it. Good for another month. And that's the maintenance of the Fluval 206 canister filter. Thanks for watching.